Assalamualaikum students, good morning everyone. Welcome to class 9th physics. Myself Samrin, I am from United Public School Tandoor. Students, fourth chapter name is refraction of light at plane surface. In this chapter we was studied about refraction and refractive index. What is refraction? When light travels from one medium to another, its direction changes at the interface. The phenomenon of changing direction at the interface of the two media is known as refraction. And next topic, refractive index. The speed of light is smaller than c is another transparent medium. Let V be the speed of light is a certain medium, then the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light is that medium is a defined in refractive index and it is called the absolute refraction index. Absolute refractive index and absolute refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum, speed of light in medium. N is equal to C by V. This is a formula of refractive index. Speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. Students, what is refraction index? Yes, the speed of light is certain medium, then the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in the medium is defined as a. Now next topic, total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. Activity 5. Use the same materials as used in the lab activity 1. Place the semicircular glass disc in such a way that is a diameter coincide with interface. Line mm and its center coincide with point O as we have done in lab activity. Now send light from the curved side of the semicircular glass disc. This means that we are making the light travel from denser medium to rare medium. Start with angle of incidence equal to 0 degree along the normal and look for the refraction ray on the other side of disc. What happened here, students? You will observe that at a certain angle of incidence the refracted ray does not come out but graze the interface separating air and glass. Measure the angle of incidence for to this situation. This angle of incidence is known as critical angle. Critical angle C means measure the angle of incidence for to this situation. This angle of incidence is known as critical angle. Let us consider the light ray that travel from medium 1 with refractive index to medium 2 with refractive index N2. It is already found that the angle of refractive is more than angle of incidence when a light ray travels from denser N1 to rare medium for the angle of incidence. And when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, the light ray gets refracted into the denser medium at the interface. Light never enters the rare medium. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection. What is internal reflection? Total internal reflection. Yes, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, the light ray gets reflected into the denser medium at the interface. Light never enters the rare medium. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection. It is shown in figure 7. Next, activity 6. Take a transparent glass, tumbler and coin. Place the coin on a table and place glass tumbler on the coin. Observe the coin from the side of the glass. Now fill the glass tumbler with water and observe the coin from the side of the glass tumbler. Next, can you see the coin? Yes, we can see the coin. And next, activity 7, take a cylindrical transparent vessel. You may use 1 liter beaker, place a coin at the bottom of the vessel. Now pour water until you get the image of the coin on the water surface. There are the many interesting situations around us which involve the phenomena of total internal reflection. One of that is mirage, which we witness while driving or while walking on a road during a hot summer day. So here students place a coin the bottom of the vessel. Now pour water until you get the image of the coin on the water surface. As look at the surface of water from side, figure 8. We can see here interesting situation involve the phenomenon of. Here we can see many images of coin. I hope you are all understood. Now time for assignment today homework. First question, the absolute refractive index of water is 4/3. What is the critical angle? You have right answer. Thank you.